Numbers out tonight on the flu. The virus now widespread in nearly every state in the country. And tonight we know 13 more people died last week in North Carolina, 10 in South Carolina. That brings the total number of deaths this season in both Carolinas to 107. And unfortunately, it's not slowing down. NBC Charlotte's Brooke Katz has more on what local doctors are urging you to do to protect yourself.
Flu activity now widespread across the country, with hundreds of hospitalizations reported in both Carolinas, not to mention very busy urgent cares just like this one. Flu season is nearing its peak, keeping urgent cares packed with patients.
It is super busy. We have significant increase in our volumes, and where our teams are working overtime to help meet the needs of the customers.
The latest flu map from the CDC shows a good chunk of the country reporting high levels of flu activity. Health officials now estimating between 15 and 17 million flu cases from October to February. Dr. Chris Branner with Atrium Health says he's seen an uptick locally over the past few weeks.
We got through January and it was a little bit slower, and we were kind of feeling pretty good about ourselves, but then the February spike inevitably came.
We also checked with Novant. All of their offices also seen an influx of flu-like illnesses. Dr. Branner says now is the time to take steps to protect yourself.
The flu spreads by droplets, so watching out for folks who are coughing or sneezing is number one. Some folks will wear masks even though they're healthy to help protect themselves.
And don't forget to thoroughly wash your hands.
You want to scrub, you want to burn those germs off, is the way I think about it, as I'm scrubbing my hands for a good 15 to 20 seconds.
Also, don't think you're immune if you've already had the flu this year. It is possible to hit the germ jackpot and catch 2 different strains of the flu, although it is unlikely. As far as what to do if you get sick, Dr. Branner says to stay at home where you won't put others at risk.
We are all hoping and praying that this flu season ends quicker rather than later.
It's never too late to get your flu shot, but some other advice: keep the hand sanitizer and the wipes handy. Reporting in South Park, Brooke Katz, NBC Charlotte.